Oh! Sword. My friend.
Tali.
Yung tanggal ko.
Kaya ka ma-remove it.
So nice. I like
Check
it.
it tayo mo.
Are you trying to tanggal it? Are you trying to remove it? Why? I think.
Ka, diba?
Yes. Hindi tanggal sa'yo.
Hanggang na yan. Matanggal ko na yan.
Can move sa side pala.
Alin?
Look, the hands. Look. The hands can tanggal. Can move pala sa side. The hands can move sa side pala. How about the hands?
Alin?
The hands. Will we get it later back? I'll get my chemistry papers. You want some? There. Actually. Some for you. I give some candy spray. What? They like this candy spray.
Alin?
I'm giving them candy spray. Dad, what's this? A stand up?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. Wow! Wow! Actually,
Tatago ko naman ito ha.
yeah. Can later can you remove the? Can we get the stand up later?
House na.
House.
House na yung stand up, okay?
Okay. He's the biggest boy. Also,
Bakit nabasa?
Ay,
Inisprayan mo ano? Yung lagkit niyan eh. Pag ni-spray ang lagkit yan.
His arm. His arm. Ow. I think I'll make an animation with this later. Can we make an animation with this? Dad, I didn't know that it can move sa sides pala doon.
Yeah, kasi ngayon ang tanggal ko.
But how do you tanggal it?
Let's figure it out later.
There's instructions.
Maybe. You like it?
Yeah. Also can
Turn off ko na ha.
yeah.